Koko dynasty ancestral home Olorunsogo Ijebu-Ode, where the traditional confinement rites were performed, was a beehive of activities in preparation for the task ahead. Visitors include traditional rulers in Ijebu land, led by the Orimolusi of Ijebu-Ugbo, Oba Lawrence Adebajo. Other age groups, traders, captain of industries, to mention a few, paid homage to the incoming Ogbeni Oja. They said their visit was to identify with the man Sonny Folorunsho Kuku.
Ogbeni Oja is one of the kingmaker of Awujale, and so that's why it's very important we visit him.
Him only coming in and going out, so it's a great appreciation from one. That's why we are all here today.
He has shown a good leadership, a fatherly role, and we have always benefited from his fountain of experience and knowledge and wisdom.
Some of the visitors, while praying for a successful reign, also advised Ogbeni Oja.
We wish him all the best, wisdom, understanding, and most importantly, good health. We wish him all the best. His predecessors, they have done very well, and we hope and pray that he will do much better than them.
My message is that God Almighty should grant him long life and good health. And I know with those things, he's going to do a lot, because he's a man of...
While appreciating his visitors, the incoming Ogbeni Oja described his experience during the traditional confinement as a deserving equipment for success.
What I've seen, you can see people who have come from the working class people to Obas and so on. It means that kind of support. I have a lot of responsibilities on my shoulders.
The Ogbeni Oja designate has since left the Ilete, having completed the 3 days traditional rites in Ijebu-Ode. Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.